Hello friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech. This is Redmi K20 Pro smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can take a slow motion video in Redmi K20 Pro smartphone. First of all, open camera in your phone Redmi K20 Pro and keep on video. Here there is a separate option slow motion. Just keep on slow motion and start recording the video. And click on stop button. Your video is processing. And play the video. See here the action, which is very slow. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and then bye.